The level of oxygen on the planet Mars is increasing as if machines were producing it. The oxygen levels on Mars fluctuate as if there is a mechanism or some source that produces oxygen, say NASA scientists recalling scenarios from Paul Verhoeven's film Total Recall, where on the inhospitable planet once upon a time, an alien race had created production machines of oxygen with which it maintained the atmosphere in a viable composition for creatures based on carbon biochemistry. After the mystery of methane on Mars, the level of which appears to be elevated on one side and drop to non-existent on the other side, the American Space Agency NASA announced that the Curiosity rover detected similar mysterious and so far unexplained fluctuations in the oxygen-poor neighbor planet. Scientists are continuing their efforts to unravel the mystery of methane, showing strong seasonal and random swings up to 60%, and now find that oxygen gas also fluctuates in a way that seems random for no apparent reason. Some source or mechanism produces the oxygen, the increase in its level reaches 30%, and then it's again removed from the air. And NASA said something produces it, and then something takes it away. This is according to NASA's article, Mars Methane Mystery Unsolved. Curiosity serves scientists a new one oxygen. The Martian atmosphere consists primarily of carbon dioxide, about 95%, while 2.6% is molecular nitrogen, 1.6% is argon, 0.16% molecular oxygen, and 0% carbon monoxide. Other gases, such as nitrogen and argon, show predictability in their behavior, fluctuating periodically depending on how much carbon dioxide is in the Martian atmosphere, but oxygen does not. We're trying to find an explanation for oxygen. We think it's an issue that has nothing to do with the dynamics of the atmosphere, but with some chemical source, said lead researcher Melissa Traynor, a planetary scientist at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Maryland. The similarities in the fluctuations of methane and oxygen may be just a coincidence, according to the scientists, but they do not rule out that they are due to the same cause. The NASA researchers who made the relevant publication in the Journal of Geophysical Research, Planets, will continue measurements in the Martian atmosphere in order to find a solution to this inexplicable puzzle. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.